welcome to Hypermotive. Great pleasure today. I've got a 996, 911 in stock in very, very rare and beautiful speed yellow. I mean, it's better in the flesh than it is in the video, but just looks absolutely stunning in this colour. Very, very unusual. It's a Tiptronic S. It has the upgraded 18-inch split rim alloy wheels, which were actually just refurbished August 2025. They look fantastic. This is quite an unusual model actually. It's a 2002 and is right on the changeover between a Gen 1 and Gen 2 996. It is a Gen 1, but it has a couple of Gen 2 upgrades. So, Gen 2 upgrades include having the electric front and rear bonnet releases. It's got electric front seats and also memory driver seats. This model actually is also fitted with a GT3 Alcantara steering wheel, and yeah, you guessed it, yellow stitching. Also, it's got a Dansk stainless steel exhaust system, so it sounds fantastic too. Show you a little bit inside. It's got black Nappa leather seats. Actually, remarkably good condition considering the age of the car. So it has air conditioning, which is working. Upgraded Sony CD DAB radio player. Nice old-fashioned CD holders. I believe the original Gen 1s had tape holders, so we've moved forward a little bit into the Gen 1.5, I suppose I'll call it. Obviously automatic gearbox, electric windows. Nice white dials. This looks super smart. Travelled just over 113,000 miles. The passenger seat's pretty clean as well. Tiptronic buttons on the steering wheel. Actually got 3 keys, 2 remote central locking keys. Go ahead and just a bit. Front of the lamp. The Carrera stripe down the side of the car. That looks pretty cool as well. Condition-wise, actually remarkably good condition. That being a 23-year-old car, there are a few imperfections, but you know, remarkably good condition overall. This is actually a sunroof model, but the sunroof isn't currently working. A couple of stone chips on the bonnet, but remarkably good condition. So it's a 23-year-old car, 113,000 miles on the clock. So in the front we've got a full-size spare wheel. Actually comes with a really nice indoor car cover, which again is a Porsche 996 Carrera specific, and it's got the yellow as well on the lining. So also got